Hi, I'm Deborah Nance, and today I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of a reverse mortgage. Let's go over the cons first, the negatives. The first negative is the fact that when a person with a reverse mortgage dies, the heirs inherit a home with a lien on it, a lien that needs to be paid off within 6 months. So if it's crucially important to you to leave your kids a home that is free and clear, you'll want to find another solution besides a reverse mortgage. On the other hand, if you feel like you've provided for your kids by raising them and teaching them to be independent, honest, and hardworking, and they do not expect or want you to leave them your home free and clear, then a reverse mortgage might just work for you. The second negative is closing costs. A reverse mortgage has closing costs, and they can be more than the closing costs on a traditional mortgage. So it's very important that you compare lenders and get the best rates and fees. The next negative is that the balance on a reverse mortgage grows over time. You will owe more on the house in 10 years than you do after the first year. And the only way to avoid this is to make payments on the reverse mortgage. Yep, you can make payments on a reverse if you want to, but most people never do. If you spend all of the money from your reverse mortgage and the balance grows, someday when you're really old, you may become sick and need money. And if you've used up all the funds in your reverse, what options will you have to get more money? You may be in a position where you have to sell and you won't receive as much from the sale of your home had you never done the reverse mortgage in the first place. Those are some of the potential negatives. Now let's talk about the upside, the pros. The biggest pro of all is the fact that you do not ever have to make a mortgage payment on a reverse. You can if you want, but it's never required. If you use the reverse mortgage to pay off your existing mortgage, you just increased your cash flow. Just imagine no more mortgage payments, ever. This raise will free up cash that you can put into savings for future emergencies and may also provide you with additional cash from the reverse mortgage itself in the form of a credit line or monthly payments to you. The next positive is the credit line growth. A reverse mortgage credit line grows over time. This is a great feature of the reverse mortgage. If you choose the credit line option on a reverse mortgage, the lender cannot cut off your credit line just because home values fall. In fact, the credit line grows over time at a rate equal to the loan rate plus 1.25%. This could be a huge benefit down the road, especially if you refrain from withdrawing funds from the line of credit and just let that credit line grow and grow. Over time, you would have access to much more money. If you never have an emergency and do not need to take the money from the line of credit, then you haven't borrowed those funds and your heirs would have a much lower balance to pay off when they inherit your home. A reverse mortgage can be a great tool for retirement, but it's not for everyone. If you would like to explore the benefits and possible drawbacks to a reverse mortgage in your life, please give me a call or click on the Request a Reverse Mortgage Analysis link below and complete the easy form. I'll email you a personalized reverse mortgage quote. And I'd really appreciate it if you would take just one more second and like our video, leave any comments or questions, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date.